Good morning all. So today I am going to teach you chapter 1 of business studies of class plus 2 commerce, that is nature and significance of management. Okay, so before going further in the chapter, we should understand the meaning of management. What the management means is, in simple terms, management means to manage, right? Like we can take simple example in our home. Who managed all the activities of the home, your house? Mother, because she is a housewife, she stays in the home. And outside business, who manage? Father. ठीक है? So this is simple example. So in business also there is a person who manage all the activities of the business. To manage activities of the business. Now the question arises, who manage all these activities? Simple. As in our home, mother is a manager, we can say she is a manager. In the same way, in the business also we have a person called as manager who manage all the activities of the business. So this was the simple term what the management is. Now we will go into the book that what management real means according to the modern concept. What is management is, which is given in the business studies. So management is what? Management is a process of getting things done through others with the aim of achieving goals effectively and efficiently. Now we have various words in this. You may be getting confused. Okay, I will clear. So let's take first what I spoke. Management is a process. Take this word. Just a second. Okay. Management is a process, right? Next, what I spoke. Management is process of getting things done through others with the aim of achieving goals. Next word we got goals. Goals effectively and efficiently. Another two words, very important words of this definition, effectively and efficiently. Clear? Now these are the four most important words of the management definition. First is a process. Now what is the meaning of process? Process is series of steps. Series of steps. You can say series also, or another word is sequence also. Clear? Process is a series of steps taken in the organization. It refers to series of steps. Management is a process because it performs various functions. ये process है management. Why it is a process? Because it performs various functions. We have functions of management, that is, first function is planning. Second is organizing. Third is staffing. Fourth is directing. And the last is controlling. In this plus 2 class, we have detail of all these functions. We have detailed chapters, but here I just, to make you understand the definition, I just tell you in brief what are the meaning of these words are. Clear? Planning here means deciding in advance. Deciding in advance. What deciding in advance? Deciding plans, future plans in advance, so that we can make future plans. So this is what planning is. So first step in the process, what we will take? Planning. We will plan about the organization, that what to do, how to do, by whom it is to be done. कौन करेगा, किसने करना है, कैसे करना है. क्लियर? ये हम डिसाइड करेंगे. दैट विल बी इन द प्लानिंग प्रोसेस ओनली. नेक्स्ट विल बी टेक ऑर्गेनाइजिंग. ऑर्गेनाइजिंग मीन्स deciding the framework of the business. Framework of business or resources. Clear? Second will come organizing. What is organizing? Deciding the framework of the business or the resources of the business. Yes, or we can say arrangement of the resources. Organizing, हम इसमें क्या करेंगे? We will arrange the resources, like we will divide whole organization into the departments, like purchase department, sales department, finance department and marketing department. And then after that we will decide authority and responsibility of those departments. So accordingly we will then arrange the resources in this process. It also establish reporting relationship. Reporting relationship as refers to who will report to whom. Like we will develop the relationship here, that is reporting relationship. That will also come in organizing only. Next is staffing. Staffing here means appointment. Just a second, I am erasing this. Staffing here means appointment of right person for right job. So this will come in under staffing. Staffing, simply understand, appointment of person. See, in the organization we need employees also. So this refers to employees. This is appointment of employees, right person for right job. Like we have various department in organizing function: purchase department, sales, finance and marketing. For those departments we will appoint right person, like who is the right person for purchase department and who is the right person for sales department. That will be done in the staffing. Next is directing. Directing, simply we can say, just a second. Directing is simply giving instructions to the employees or instructing. Clear? Giving instructions to the employees. Directing means we will in this process we will instruct the employees whom we have appoint, that because they don't know what they have to do in the organization, because they are new to the organization, they are new to their designations. So it is a process in which manager will instruct their employees or the workers. In this process manager will act as a leader for the workers. Last will be the controlling. Last function of management, that is controlling. Controlling here means comparison of actual performance with targets. Clear? In this we can say comparison of comparison of actual performance with the tasks. means I'll explain you this in Hindi because it is already written in English. Controlling means बच्चे comparison, we will do comparison. Actual performance means जो real में हो रहा है, what the workers are doing in the real, in actual. What with the task. Task means what task the manager has given in the planning process, what he has planned. Means in simply we can say that manager will look upon कि whatever plan I have made, do all the workers are working accordingly? So this will be done in the controlling process. So this is the process in which we take series of all these steps to achieve the goals effectively, efficiently. Now from this we will move to goals. Goal here means objectives. Objectives of the business. Now every business starts with the objective, with the aim, particular aim. For example, a business starts with the organizational objective to earn 5 lakh profit, in a year. Clear? Now this we have got the organizational objective. Now this is what is goal is. Now goal क्या है हमारी organization का? To achieve 5 lakh profit. This is goal. Means goal literally means objectives of the organization. Next important words we will move to effectively. Effectively means in a given time. These two words are very important for this chapter also and normally also. So in a given time is effectively means task performed in a given time. Let's take an example. A manager has given task to manufacture 1000 units within 10 days. Clear? And those workers who were given task of 1000 units to produce 1000 units in 10 days, they have achieved it in 10 days only, in the same given days, 10 days. This is what? This is effectiveness, that they have achieved their task within 10 days of producing 1000 units. This is what effectively is. Let's proceed to second. Efficiently here means least, in simple terms, least wastage of resources or optimum utilization of resources. Optimum utilization of resources. And we can also say it with the minimum cost, producing the resources with the minimum cost. कम से कम cost में हमने जो units हैं वो produce करनी है. So in simple words you can say efficiently means least wastage of resources और optimum. देखे पूरे अच्छे से, लीस्ट वेस्टेज मतलब कम से कम वेस्टेज करके एंड मिनिमम कॉस्ट के साथ, वेस्टेज भी कम करनी है और कम से कम पैसे में भी हमने अपना जो गोल है अचीव करना है. सो इन दिस वे एफिशिएंटली, फॉर एग्जांपल लाइक मैनेजर हैज गिवन द टास्क to produce the goods with the material of 500 kg. Clear? But workers has produced the units with using 800 kg of material. Now we can say, is it efficient? They were given task to produce in 500 kg, but they have produced in 800 kg. Can we say it is they have performed their task efficiently? No. Why? Because they have used 300 more kg of मटेरियल विच इज़ नॉट एफिशिएंट. उन्होंने 500 में करना था, 800 में प्रोड्यूस किया, 300 दे हैव डन वेस्टेज एंड कॉस्ट इज ऑल्सो मोर, सो वी कैन से इट इज़ नॉट एफिशिएंट. सो इन द लास्ट I will conclude the definition. Effective and efficiency are both important terms in the business or in the management. If workers has achieved effectively, not efficiently, then also business will not reach to their goals. If they have achieved efficiently but not effectively, then also organizational goal cannot be achieved. So these both are interrelated. They should be taken together, effectively and efficiently, so that they can achieve the organizational goal effectively. So this was the definition. Management is the process of getting things done through others with the aim of achieving goals effectively and efficiently. Thank you.